I pull out right now, I'll shut the fuck up.
40 seconds.
I think I make more money than they get paid in 1 week with my rap. So they can say whatever they want. And anyway, people stole Jesus, so fuck.
Pussy! Why? I just had to say that once.
I don't play people like that. I pay them no mind. I say how much money you got in your pocket. I say this right here. How much money you got in your pocket? I bet you whenever you pull out, I triple that shit. Right now.
You sell the labs? You sell them?
No. I'm breeding them. I'm trying to get them a bank loan. I'm in the breeding process right now. I already found the layout and everything. I'm going to my museum. See how that worked for like 2 years. What is this right here? Let's go. See, with my rats, I live in a condo. That's how much money me and my rats make. Then I go afford a condo. So they can talk what they want. I enjoy my business. Go Mona. God bless. Hold on, because I got their toys and shit.
34th Street next, big vehicle.